Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making 7-can chicken taco soup. Alright, I'm starting out here in my Dutch oven. My heat turned on medium. And this is a real quick throw together recipe, and most of the things you already have on hand. I'm going to start with a 12.5 ounce can of chunk chicken breast. I'm going to get that in a pot. Now I drain that, and I'm going to take my spoon and break up the chicken a little bit. And yes, this does have 7 cans in it of ingredients. That was can number 1, the chicken. So keep count with me, guys. Now I'm going to add in a 15.5 ounce can of pinto beans. 15.5 ounce can of black beans that I drained and rinsed. So that's 3 cans right there total. I'm going to add in a can of whole corn juice, and all this here is 15.25 ounces. I'm going to add in a can of petite diced tomatoes. This is 14.5 ounces undrained. I'm going to add in a 14.5 ounce can of chicken broth. That's 6 cans. And number 7, lastly, is a 10 ounce can of green enchilada sauce. I'm going to turn my heat up to 3/4 of the way. Now I have a 1.25 ounce pack of taco seasoning. You can find this anywhere, and it's relatively cheap. I always buy the store brand if I can, because it's the cheapest way to go. I'm going to get that in there. Now I'm going to add in a half teaspoon of chili powder, and all my spices other than the taco seasoning is half teaspoons. I'm going to add in a half teaspoon of garlic powder, my clumpy old garlic powder. And I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. And if you've never cooked with cumin before, guys, especially in your Spanish, Mexican dishes, I urge you to do it because this stuff is really delicious. Alright, I'm going to give that a stir to get everything all stirred together. Now I'm going to bring this up to a simmer, and I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 15 minutes. Until it heats through and all those flavors blend together. Alright, let this simmer for 15 minutes. All the flavors are blended, it's piping hot. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Went ahead and I garnished this with a little bit of taco cheese and some sliced up green onion. Now you could do avocado, you could do sour cream, you could do cilantro, you could even do corn chips. Which other than corn chips, I don't like any of them. So let me get in here and give this a try. Get a piece of this chicken in here too. Now this is hot, guys. It's really delicious. Has a good Mexican taco flavor. Loaded with flavor and texture. You get the creaminess of the cheese in there. You get that taco flavor. You get the crisp of the beans and the corn. A little bit of spice, not a lot. Guys, that's really delicious. It wasn't hard at all. And I tell you right now, I have a head cold, so that's helped me on a chilly night for my head cold. Alright, so there you have it. 7-can chicken taco soup. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.